Writing is incredibly hard work. Real writers understand that it requires a lot of work, but also it requires a support system that makes that work possible and also pleasurable.
Being in a community of people who approach their writing practice in so many different ways is one of the greatest gifts of the program.
What makes PLU really distinguished is that we have a 3-year mentorship system.
You are getting to have many exchanges with that mentor who's reading your work and then presenting you with writers you should be reading. Your work is changing as a result of those writers.
It's incredibly valuable for our mentors to come from the deep professional backgrounds that they have. They bring a sense of expansiveness and possibility to the students that they mentor. The students usually come with one idea of what writing is or who they are as writers, but in encountering mentors, that just exponentially expands each student's sense of what they are doing and who they are.
What the Rainier Writing Workshop, I think, does for writers is allows you to learn how to be you as a writer, which is a gift that just keeps on giving.